For many of us, taking care of our feet isn't the first thing that comes to mind for self-care, especially when we're busy and on the go. But if you find that your feet feel dry and scratchy or you want to be able to comfortably walk around barefoot without pain, it's important to know how to take care of your feet, and using foot masks is a great way to do it. Yes, you can use a pumice stone or creams, but a foot mask eliminates the hassle of exfoliating and moisturizing in one compact and simple-to-use product. Foot masks work their magic on rough and pained feet in just 10 minutes, allowing you to confidently enjoy a night out in your favorite strappy stilettos or take a stroll on the beach in your new sandals. But they aren't just for calluses and cracked heels, though. Many foot masks have been specially formulated to provide deep nourishment, so you can proudly show off your soft and supple feet. We reviewed some of the finest foot masks of 2023 to achieve all-over softness. Number 1. Plantific Foot Mask. The Plantific exfoliating foot masks are designed to remove calluses and impurities and repair cracked heels. Sold in a 2-pack, this product is the ultimate choice for luxurious foot care therapy. It's infused with natural ingredients like papaya, peach kernel, and lactic acid that penetrate deep into the skin to exfoliate, nourish, and hydrate the foot. Thanks to its advanced formula with high aloe vera content, this mask also has an anti-aging effect. The product is free of harsh chemicals, synthetic fragrances, and petroleum-derived ingredients, so you can confidently apply it to sensitive skin. Additionally, each mask is dermatologically tested and works in 4 easy steps. Place your feet into the booties, secure the top to seal in the ingredients, soak for an hour, and massage the remaining essence from the booties into your feet. These foot masks come in 4 different scents, including peach, strawberry, avocado, and vitamins, so you can easily choose your favorite one for a pedicure session at home. Between their impressive results and effective ingredients, these foot masks are the best overall choice on our list. Number 2. Dermora Foot Mask. The Dermora exfoliating foot peel masks are the most effective and innovative way to peel away the top layer of dead skin from your feet, leaving you with soft and smooth skin. Sold in a pack of 2, these premium foot masks contain non-toxic botanical extracts including aloe vera, citric acid, and salicylic acid, all of which are safe and effective. The key ingredient in these masks is papaya extract, which is great for treating rough and flaky heels. Once you put on the foot mask, it exfoliates the dead skin off of your feet by breaking down and dissolving the calluses. The peeling process starts within 6 to 11 days after use with visible results within 2 weeks. Unlike some other peeling masks, these are free from harsh chemicals, so they won't irritate your skin and cause dryness. Plus, if you're a fan of aromatherapy or just nice-smelling skincare products, these foot masks come in 11 lovely scents. Number 3. EpiL Foot Mask. Suffering from split, dry, cracked feet? The EpiL Hydrating Foot Masks are here to save the day. These foot masks are infused with a blend of shea butter and jojoba oil that deeply moisturizes the skin while vitamin E improves skin elasticity. You can even stick these socks in the fridge to enjoy an extra relaxing and cooling effect. Plus, this product comes with 6 foot masks that are 100% cruelty-free and vegan. These foot masks are loaded with an intensive fortifying formula that nourishes the skin, moisturizes the cuticles, and strengthens the nails while soothing itchiness and inflammation. They can also be used in conjunction with other creams and lotions for extra care. Designed for your convenience, this option features secure tabs that prevent slipping, allowing for maximum absorption. These foot masks are ideal if you have sensitive or dry skin. Number 4. Soft Touch Foot Mask. Whether you plan on showing off your feet in sandals or are looking for a way to pamper and rejuvenate dry skin, this pack of 2 foot peels by Soft Touch will help you out. Combining natural ingredients and botanical extracts, this product contains aloe vera and salicylic acid to rid your feet of calluses, cracked heels, and flaky skin. Each powerful yet gentle foot mask has a 60-minute application process, which means you can simply sit back and relax while it works its magic. The dead skin will begin to flake off within 1 to 2 weeks after the first use, leaving your feet baby soft and rejuvenated. This self-care essential is designed to fit feet up to 11 inches long and is a perfect gift for birthdays and holidays. Number 5. Babyfoot Foot Mask. Sold for over 20 years, this innovative foot mask by Babyfoot is an easy and effective process to achieve soft feet at a fraction of the price you would pay for a pedicure. It has a concentrated formula of 16 natural ingredients, which have been tested extensively to make sure they are safe. The original fragrance of baby foot is derived entirely from natural ingredients like lavender for a relaxing at-home spa experience. The mask also has different active ingredients: salicylic acid, glycolic acid, and lactic acid. Each of these penetrates deep into the layers of dead skin cells and helps to rehydrate and nourish your feet. Within 4 to 7 days, your feet will begin to peel, leaving you with soft and smooth skin, but please resist the urge to pick at your feet. Besides treating rough, cracked soles, this mask can also improve other foot issues like foot odor, athlete's foot, and poor blood circulation.